So, first time makakatikim ni Syra ng ganito. This is, oh! What? Have you tried this na? Nung bata kami, puro ganito lagi pagka ice cream na gusto namin, no? Sarap yan, no? May ganyan sa Access, be. Don't fight that. Ang laki nito, be. Mas malaki dun sa ano namin dati.
Ala.
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 Ala. What's it? That's a fish.
It doesn't look like the image.
What?
Because it's black. It's
Brown.
It's brown.
And this one is,
Light brown.
it's white. Yeah.
Light brown.
You taste nga.
What?
What? Yeah, it's an ano lang. It's like a waffle lang, apa lang. No? Hindi siya bread. Akala ko bread. Iba pala yan.
No, it's like this is like the ice cream cone.
Yeah, ice cream cone nga. Oh, hindi siya yung bread. Akala ko bread. Iba yung sa amin dati. Bread yung sa amin. Cookies. What? How was it? How was it? Sakit umipin ko eh.
But
Crap.
what is it, Satay?
Vanilla with cone ice cream.
I'm the one that ordered the vanilla, diba?
What's your grade?
1.
One lang? You rate that one?
Red.
Yeah.
Kala ko green.
Yeah, you grade that.
Rate?
Grade. Rate.
What?
What's your rate?
Rate 1 billion.
That's so
Just
exciting.
kidding.
That's so exciting.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 of this ice cream. Yeah, sarap talaga siya. And with ano you know, with syrup, chocolate syrup. No, ubos mo naman, kakain na nga lang ako na sa akin. Sa'yo pa nga. Gonna give this to kay ate, kaya kay ate Lexa.